Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Deepak Joshi. Firstly, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you don't know me, I create videos for diploma in pharmacy students. And also for more information and updates, you can check out my Instagram page, that is Joshi Saurabh01. Also you can get the link in the description box below. Now we are going to discuss on the topic analgesic and antipyretic. Before this video start, please check out our other videos. To watch that, please click on the I button on right top corner or go to our YouTube page, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our page videos. So now let's start our today's topic with the introduction. Pain is the first thing about injury to tissue, and it indicates onset or result of diseases. Common pains we know are headache, neuralgia, chronic arthritis, dementia, labor pain, pain of cardiac muscle, visceral pain, pressure origin pain, etc. Visceral pain means, for example, appendicitis, spasm, coronary thrombosis, peptic ulcer, etc. This not well localized but somatic pains means, for example, pain in muscle, joints, ligaments, tendons, skin is better localized. So analgesics are used to get relief from pain. Analgesics are categorized in two parts, that is, first is true analgesic or narcotic analgesics or opioid analgesics, and second is antipyretic analgesic or non-narcotic analgesics or fibrifages. Now let's see first, that is true analgesic or narcotic analgesic. The drug which decreases sensitivity of pain by depressing CNS without loss of consciousness are called as analgesics or true analgesics. After taking this drug increases capacity to tolerate pain. As this type drug induce sleep, that is produce narcosis along with analgesics effect, they are called as a narcotic analgesic. In this name, narcotic means in Latin word narcon, and narcon means drowsiness. Morphine is the first drug discovered in narcotic analgesics. This is alkaloid which is isolated from opium. Hence, analgesics are also called as opioid or opiate analgesics. Now we are going to see classification of narcotic analgesics. First, A is a naturally occurring, in that morphine and its analog, for example morphine, codeine. Second, B, totally synthetic drugs, in that first one is a morphine analogous, for example levorphanol. Second is a benzomorphan analog, that is for example antazocin. Third is a 4-phenyl piperidine analog, for example pethidine. Fifth is a phenyl propyl amine analogous, for example methadone, dextropropoxyphene. Then next point, these narcotic analgesics are mainly used to relieve moderate to severe pain. They are also used to suppress non-productive cough, that is anti-tussive property, to produce sleep in the pain, to control diarrhea. But these are used a very limited condition. Because of these conditions of first one is additive property, second is a respiratory depression, and third one is a decrease in a gastrointestinal motility leading to constipation. Next point, now second is a antipyretic analgesic or fibrages. In that, condition of body temperature is raised above normal is called as a pyrexia. Pyrexia is the condition in which body temperature is raised above normal. This raised body temperature is due to infection or other diseases. So the drugs used to lower the raised body temperature and bring it normal are called as antipyretics. These drugs are used to lower body temperature, but they don't affect on normal body temperature. So they are differ from the hypothermic agents. For example, chlorpromazine which is used to bring body temperature below normal. With the use of antipyretics, they are also useful to remove pain like headache, backache, etc. So they are called as antipyretic analgesics or minor analgesics. Next point, these antipyretic analgesics are differ from narcotic analgesics are first is they have low activity in normal dose, and second is their large dose will not relieve severe or prolonged pain. Next point is the classification of antipyretic analgesics on the basis of their chemical structure. First one is aniline and para-aminophenol derivative, for example acetanilide, paracetamol. Second, salicylic acid derivative, for example aspirin. And third one is a pyrazole derivative, for example analgin and antipyrine. Now we are going to study the different drugs used to study in diploma in pharmacy second year, and that are first one is a morphine, second codeine, third pethidine, fourth methadone, fifth dextroproxyphene, sixth pentazocine, seventh aspirin, eighth paracetamol, and ninth one is analgin. Now, as I say first, drugs we start with is morphine. In this first point is chemistry. Morphine is a principal alkaloid obtained from the opium. This opium is a partly dried latex from the incised seed capsules of Papaver somniferum. This morphine belongs to phenanthrene class of alkaloid, and it contains morphine heterocycle. Next point is the physical properties. This is white in nature. Morphine is needle-like crystals, and this is having bitter taste. Next is very slightly soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol, but soluble in boiling alcohol and solution of alkali hydroxides. This is levorotatory in nature and having monoacidic base. These physical properties are of morphine, but generally morphine is available in the salt form having morphine hydrochloride. So morphine hydrochloride physical properties are this is white crystals or silky crystals having odorless, bitter taste and soluble in water, insoluble in chloroform. Next point is the chemical properties of morphine. When it is treated with formaldehyde solution in the presence of sulfuric acid, it gives purple color which changes to violet. And second reaction is when morphine is treated with solution of potassium ferricyanate and ferric chloride solution, it gives bluish green color. Morphine having the storage condition, that is it is stored in a well closed light resistance container. And next point is the uses. Morphine is used for generally control of moderate to severe acute and chronic pain, especially associated with neoplasm, as a pre-medication prior to surgery. Before surgery it is given due to calming and sedative property. Morphine is also used to suppress responses to intraoperative surgical stimuli, and also morphine is treated for diarrhea to reduce GI, that is gastrointestinal peristaltic activity. Also morphine is used for suppress cough and to relieve dysthymia, to left ventricular failure and of pulmonary edema. This is having hypnotic property when insomnia is due to pain. Morphine is also used to elevate, that is relieve anxiety due to the pain, and also used to adjunct to anesthetics for the pain relief and to allay or reduce anxiety. Next point is the pharmaceutical formulations. Morphine is available in the market. Formulations are morphine injection, morphine atropine injection, morphine and ammonium chloride mixture, morphine and ipecacuanha mixture, morphine and kaolin mixture, morphine hydrochloride solution, and morphine suppositories under the brand name Zifrol and Cyrana. Next drug is codeine. In that first point is a chemistry. It is isolated from opium and it differs from the morphine in having methoxy group instead of hydroxy group at the position 3. Physical properties of codeine. This is colorless or white crystalline powder having odorless property and bitter taste. And also this is slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. This is having physical properties of codeine, but generally codeine is available salt form in the form of codeine phosphate. So codeine phosphate having the physical properties are fine white needle shaped crystals or white crystalline powder having odorless, bitter taste and freely soluble in water. Next point is the storage. This is effervescence slowly in a dry air and is affected by light, so it is stored in a well closed light resistant container. Next point is the uses of codeine. This is used to suppress cough, also to suppress mild to moderate pain and treat diarrhea. Also this is used as a sedative and hypnotics, and it is commonly used in the combination with aspirin. Next point is the pharmaceutical formulations. Codeine is available in the market as the codeine phosphate tablet, codeine and paracetamol tablet, codeine and aspirin tablet, codeine phosphate syrup, codeine phosphate link test, APC tablet, BP, that is British Pharmacopoeia. Under the brand name Glycodine, Trup, Vasaka, Kosaka, Paurin and Kefex. Third drug is pethidine. This is the structure of pethidine. This is having star mark in the syllabus copy, so this structure is important for exam perspective. Ethyl 1-methyl 4-phenyl piperidine 4-carboxylate is the chemical name of pethidine. Pethidine is having white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter and slightly acidic taste and solubility, that is soluble in water, alcohol and chloroform and very slightly soluble in ether. Chemical properties of pethidine are: when it is treated with formaldehyde solution in the presence of sulfuric acid, it gives orange red color. This is chemical properties. Next point is storage. Pethidine is stored in a well closed light resistant container. Uses of pethidine are: this is used to relieve moderate to severe pain due to spastic condition of intestine, uterus, urinary bladder and bronchi. As a pre-anesthetic, pre-operational, before operation, this pethidine is given to the patient for like the anesthetic drugs. As an obstetrical analgesic, that is analgesics during labor, and also used to relieve abstinence syndrome in the treatment of morphine addiction. Next point is the pharmaceutical formulations. Pethidine is available in the market as the injection and tablet form under the brand name Pethilorphan. Fourth drug that we are studying is methadone, that is amidone. This is available in the hydrochloride salt, having the physical properties are colorless crystal or white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste and soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol. Methadone is having chemical properties. When methadone is treated with formaldehyde in the presence of sulfuric acid, it gives red color. Storage condition: it is stored in a well closed light resistance container. Next point is the uses of methadone. This is used to relieve moderate to severe pain, for management of opiate dependence and to suppress cough. Methadone is available in the market as the formulations of tablet, injection and lintus under the brand name Faseptone. Next drug, fifth drug is dextroproxyphen. It is available in the hydrochloride salt form and structurally related to methadone. This is structurally similar to the methadone structure. Physical properties of dextroproxyphen: this is white crystalline powder or slightly yellow powder having odorless, bitter taste and very soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol and insoluble in ether. This drug is dextrorotatory in nature, having the storage condition. It is stored in a well closed light resistance container. Uses of dextroproxyphen is to relieve mild to moderate pain, This is having the pharmaceutical formulations available in the market as a capsule form under the brand name Distalgesic. Next drug, sixth drug is pentazocine. This is having 2,6-methanobenzazoine derivative. This is having physical properties of this is white or creamy white powder, odorless, bitter taste, and having very soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol, freely soluble in CHCl3 chemicals. Chemical properties: pentazocine is treated with ammonium molybdate. In the presence of sulfuric acid, it gives intense blue color, having changes to green on standing gives yellow color. Storage condition is stored in well closed light resistance container. Pentazocine having the uses to relieve moderate to severe pain due to spastic condition of intestine, uterus, urinary bladder, bronchi, etc. It is also used as a pre-anesthetic, that is pre-operational medication, and also as an obstetrical analgesic. Next drug is aspirin, that is acetyl salicylic acid. This drug is introduced in 1999, synthesized from salicylic acid by Kolbe's synthesis in 1874 using acetic anhydride. Hydrogen atom of hydroxyl group in salicylic acid has been replaced by acetyl group. Word aspirin is framed from A for acetyl group and aspirin. The old name is Speri, that is salicylic acid. This is having chemical name, that is O-acetoxy-benzoic acid. This drug is having star mark in the syllabus copy, so this drug is having importance for exam as a structure representative. Next point is physical properties. Aspirin is available in the market as a colorless or white crystalline powder having odorless in nature and slightly bitter taste. This drug is slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Aspirin is having chemical properties that when aspirin is heated with sodium hydroxide solution, it is hydrolyzed and give sodium salicylate and sodium acetate. Aspirin is also gradually hydrolyzed by water and gives salicylic acid and acetic acid. Aspirin is having storage condition, that is this drug is stable in the air but slowly hydrolyzed in the presence of moisture. So aspirin is stored in a well closed light resistance container. Next point is uses of aspirin. Aspirin is used for relief of mild to moderate pain like headache, toothache and myalgia. Also used as an antipyretic in the chronic diseases accompanied by pain and inflammation. For example, rheumatoid arthritis. Aspirin is also used to treat gout in the high doses to reduce risk of myocardial infarction. Next point is the pharmaceutical formulations. Aspirin is available in the market as aspirin tablet, soluble aspirin tablet, aspirin and caffeine tablet, and dispersible aspirin and caffeine tablets under the brand name Aspro, Anacin, Coldrin, Majoral, Paurin and Codopyrin. Next, eighth drug is paracetamol, that is acetaminophen. This is having the structure of paracetamol having para-aminophenol derivative, chemical name that is para-hydroxyacetanilide or para-acetaminophenol or N-acetyl para-aminophenol. Having the physical properties, this is paracetamol is white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste and sparingly soluble in water, soluble in the alcohol. Chemical properties of paracetamol, that is when paracetamol is treated with ferric chloride, it gives violet blue color. Storage condition of paracetamol is it is stored in a well closed light resistance container. Paracetamol is generally used as antipyretic, as an analgesic for relief of pain such as headache, toothache, neuralgia and rheumatism, etc. Paracetamol is available in the market as the form of paracetamol tablet and paracetamol elixir under the brand name Crocin, Metocin, Calpol, Paramol and Ibuplus. Next drug is analgin, that is metamizole, 3 3-pyrazoline 5-1 or 5-pyrazolone derivative, that is, it contains 3-pyrazoline heterocycle. Analgin is having physical properties are white crystalline powder with yellowish tinge, odorless, bitter taste, and having freely soluble in water. Analgin is having storage condition, that is, it is stored in well closed light resistance container. It is used as antipyretics, analgesics, and anti-rheumatic agent. Analgin is available in the market as the Analgin tablet and Analgin injection form under the brand name Novalgin, Oxalgin, and Ibugesic. Here we are at end. This is all about analgesic and antipyretic. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you in some way or other. And if it did, then please hit that thumbs up button, and it gives me so much motivation to produce new videos. And please subscribe to my page. It not just makes up all the efforts that goes into the making this video apart from daily schedule. Thank you so much for that. And if any query, you can contact me on mail and also on social media like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Link is in the description box below. And also follow me on these social media platforms. Till then, thank you so much, and at last, stay safe and stay healthy.